Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to try to transform my entryway and I'm going to try to give it a farm style look. And this video is in collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube, Maria from Home with Miss Kalunga. I will leave her video linked down below and her channel. She will also be doing a farm style DIY. So I'm starting off with this this plank of wood. Not too sure what it's called, but I just went to Home Depot and gave them the sizes that I needed. And the chalk paint that I'm going to be using is the Rust-Oleum in linen white. And this paintbrush I got from Dollar Tree. These hooks I got from Home Depot. I will try to leave everything linked down below if you are interested. So I'm starting off by painting the board, and I ended up giving it 2 coats.
Tonight we're giving, tonight we're hoping, tonight we're living, tonight we're going strong, and together we go high. Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're loving, tonight we sparkle, tonight we dance along, and together we go high. 1, 2, 3, power still unreleased.
So I decided to paint my shoe rack so it will match with the coat rack, and we actually had this for a little over 4 years, so it took 3 coats to get it to the color we wanted.
I believe I hold the chart, so I say 1, 2, 3, give me your love again, again, again. I know the wind is flame, crisp thin ice will bear your name. Tonight we're giving, tonight we're hoping, tonight we're living, tonight we're going strong, and together we go high.
And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. It really did give it a farm style look. And definitely go check out Maria's video. She also has a lot of farm style DIYs on her channel, so I know you would absolutely love it. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!